In today's You and Your Health Spotlight, we feature snoring. Snoring is a problem that affects approximately 80% of the total population directly and indirectly. Snorers and those around them often suffer from sleep deprivation. This can lead to serious health issues such as chronic fatigue, depression, obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and reduced libido. A comfortable, affordable, and most importantly, effective product to combat snoring is the Snore Solution, a non-medicated anti-snoring device made of soft dental-grade plastic. The Snore Solution is designed to move the lower jaw slightly forward and in doing so, open up the air passage in the back of the throat to normalize breathing. Its unique 7-vent design ensures maximum airflow. The Snore Solution requires no prescription. Studies show that oral appliances are considered a good therapy choice as they are non-invasive, easy to use, and tend to be well received by those who use them. At $19.99, the Snore Solution is priced so anyone can afford it, putting an end to sleepless nights and interrupted sleep. The Snore Solution is currently available in Canada at over 100 stores and can also be ordered online at www.thesnoresolution.com.